Mom?
There's 2 missing. Oh,
Grammy.
there's more than that.
Grammy.
A lot more grandchildren.
We're looking at pictures.
Video.
Pictures? Okay, sit back, Reese. Okay, who's in here? Oh, I see Reese in red.
I did like.
We're taking the pictures this way, back.
But no, this is stuff
Get Dorothy
Debbie
in the front.
had given
I
me.
think the front looks better than the back.
Yeah, Reese, back this way.
In the front.
This way.
Front.
You say thanks to Jenny for
Wouldn't the
giving
front
me
be
that.
better?
Did you take some video of the house, Erlen?
Did you say thank you? Oh, you're welcome. Listen to me. He said no.
Jenny,
Oh, right. Don't say.
got a good shot at the back of your head.
Yeah.
Oh, got you. Okay, Reese, over here. Rat, come and sit down with Grammy. Where's Reese?
I hope he's not outside.
No.
Oh, okay, go sit beside Grandma.
Puppy.
Okay, stand with Grammy. Sit with Grammy.
My, don't you look.
Mom, you have to put your head forward. Those are, no, that's...
Hands away from your face, Reese. You want to get some smiles?
Mom, look at me. Grammy.
A big belly is
No, tell him to... Mommy.
Look over here. Look towards her.
Me. Bananas, Jenny.
Oh.
Could you not put them in the freezer? Reese, look.
I found you.
No, he told you. You walked right by him.